Hey, for the people that were talking about the GoPro forgetting to switch it on, I connect mine to the Triumph Tiger dashboard and I can see the battery and if it's recording or not. It's pretty handy. Well, this is going to be a wee run. I'm in Germany now. We'll take a wee run back along the Rhine, back into Holland. Fucking windy. The German flag, just to prove that I'm in Germany. Oh, I had to take a wee film of the motorbike at the Dutch-German border. So that's us back in Holland again. Engine sings, I ride alone. No one with me, no one to please. Just wind, white lines and memories. From Glasgow, rain to mountain stone, every mile I've made my own. I'm Scottish biker abroad, chasing lines on man, riding through the silence, never looking back. Alone on the road, but I know I am Scottish biker abroad, one bike, one man. Same old look, same old lungs. Borders pass like mile-wide dreams. Life makes sense between the scenes. I'm Scottish biker abroad, heart set free. No crowd behind, just the road and me. If I disappear, you know where I'll be. Scottish biker abroad, riding on a Well, nice. Got a bit of dike.
No rush to get there, no need to explain. Some ride together, I ride to remain. If you hear
I don't know if I said that, I think I did in one of my other videos. These dikes are made
that Scottish biker
so that when the river gets high, the villages don't get flooded. So, I don't know if you can see, but you can see the river down there. And what I started doing is I started, because Netherlands the water land into it, I started letting bits of the land flood. See that? So you see that that's all underwater. Now this is the Maas. This is another river.
Now people, thanks for watching. Enjoy, subscribe, like and comment. Let me know what you think of the video.